Hi there, welcome to Oakleigh Watches and the unboxing of a Zenith Chronomaster Sport Titanium. If you're looking for something a bit different from the usual luxury sports watch, this might just be one of the best options available on the market at the moment. Today, we're here to show you this absolutely stunning Zenith Chronomaster Sport Titanium. It's a 2026 full set. Honestly, it's perfect. Let's have a look at it. The first thing you notice about this watch is how light it is. The whole 41mm case is crafted from titanium, so despite having a really solid presence on the wrist, it's noticeably lighter than you would expect it to be. Very, very comfortable, and it gives the watch a very modern feel. Then just check this dial out. Zenith has nailed it. The silver sunray finish with these three-color chronograph subdials that the Chronomaster Sport is famous for, instantly recognizable. It's a signature of the Zenith brand, just superb. As you just hit this in the light, look at that. Absolutely amazing. Now, one of the best things about this watch is the versatility of it. It originally comes with this titanium bracelet, which is included, but when it was bought new, the original purchaser also bought this genuine Zenith rubber strap with a deployment buckle. That's about £700 or £800 worth of strap and buckle that you get with this watch for free, and it gives it a totally different feel. It makes it feel much sort of sportier, much along the lines of a Rolex Yachtmaster or a modern Daytona. I actually prefer it on the rubber, but it also looks fantastic on the bracelet. Round the back, you can see there's a sapphire display case back. Zenith are obviously very proud of this because it's the El Primero 3600, one of the most famous movements in the world. The rotor's beautifully finished. It's got that classic Zenith star on the rotor. So this watch was originally purchased in the UK in 2026, so it's just a few months old as we record this. It's technically pre-owned, but it's very hard to believe it's ever been worn, to be honest. It is immaculate. Let's just see what comes with it. So originally purchased in the UK in 2026, it is a full set. It's got the little leather tag with it. It's got the quick step guide and, of course, the all-important international warranty papers. One really cool thing that Zenith do, if we lift this panel up here, it comes with a travel case as well. Lovely little thing. So when you take your El Primero on holiday, it's got that travel box, and then it just undoes and pushes back in here again to become for your watch. Of course, the true test of any great watch is how it looks on the wrist. So let's just pop this on the rubber strap, the titanium deployment clasp. Obviously, you will be the judge of your own feelings, but I think that looks absolutely stunning. The watch is just a few months old. It's perfect condition. If you bought this new in a Zenith boutique with the rubber strap and the clasp, you're looking at something just under £12,000. This is on our website now at just under £7,000. So it's an absolute bargain that I suspect will be snapped up. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.